Part of Revitalize Ontario's mission is to enhance the City of Ontario with art, historical installations, and increase community identity. Revitalize Ontario continues to work to draw attention to downtown Ontario. The metalwork has been installed along South Oregon Street, expanding through Ontario. Revitalize Ontario has brought in several pieces of original African artwork of animals such as zebras, giraffes, hyenas, and even a white rhino that is 13 feet high. They were all made in Kenya by African artists. The original metal art requires virtually no maintenance. Revitalize Ontario is inviting people throughout the community and surrounding areas to submit a proof of concept for a piece of art they would like to create and possibly have it put on display. If that happens, the organization plans on putting QR codes on the pieces so people can scan them and find out who made it and get in contact with the artist for anything they may want made. Revitalize Ontario would love to see submissions from Ontario School District and from Treasure Community College.